Looking for the best budget-friendly cruisers for 2026? We've got 7 bikes that are fun, reliable, and perfect for any rider. Let's start the countdown with number 7, 2026 Yamaha V-Star 250, a lightweight cruiser that's ready to impress anyone looking for an easy, reliable ride. Even in 2026, this little V-twin remains a favorite because it's simple, dependable, and fun, exactly what you want in a starter or budget-friendly cruiser. The 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine delivers smooth, predictable torque, enough to enjoy city streets, weekend rides, or casual cruising without ever feeling intimidating. It's a bike that just works, and mechanics in 2026 will tell you it rarely needs anything more than routine oil changes. Its low seat height, manageable weight, and classic cruiser styling make it feel modern and approachable at the same time. You can hop on, twist the throttle, and enjoy the ride immediately. No fuss, no stress, just pure riding pleasure. Even with all the new 2026 updates across the motorcycle market, the V-Star 250 continues to be a reliable, timeless choice. It's practical, fuel-efficient, and built to last, perfect for riders who want a hassle-free cruiser experience without breaking the bank. So whether you're starting your riding journey or looking for a lightweight, everyday-friendly cruiser, the Yamaha V-Star 250 remains one of the best budget-friendly options in 2026. At number 6, 2026 Honda Rebel 300, a lightweight cruiser that's perfect for easy riding and stress-free cruising. Even in 2026, the Rebel 300 continues to impress with its approachable size, smooth handling, and iconic minimalist style. Under the tank, the 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine delivers predictable, friendly power, enough to feel confident in traffic or enjoy a relaxed weekend ride. It's the kind of engine that rarely needs more than basic maintenance, making it a favorite for budget-conscious riders and beginners alike. The low seat height, narrow frame, and lightweight make it easy to maneuver, perfect for city streets or tight parking spots. Despite being small, the Rebel 300 still looks modern and stylish, with a classic cruiser vibe that never goes out of fashion. Even with all the big 2026 motorcycle releases, this bike remains a dependable choice. Easy to own, easy to ride, and easy to maintain. For riders who value comfort, simplicity, and reliability without sacrificing style, the Honda Rebel 300 is an excellent budget-friendly cruiser this year. Whether you're starting your riding journey or looking for a lightweight daily cruiser, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 proves that small packages can deliver big confidence and fun. At number 5, 2026 Honda Rebel 500, the bigger sibling to the Rebel 300 and a perfect balance of power, style, and reliability. Even in 2026, the Rebel 500 remains a favorite for riders looking for a lightweight cruiser that can handle city streets and weekend rides effortlessly. Powered by a 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, it delivers smooth, predictable torque, enough punch to enjoy open roads without ever feeling intimidating. The engine's reliability is legendary, requiring only basic maintenance to keep it running like new for years. The low seat height, upright riding posture, and balanced frame make this bike extremely comfortable for riders of all experience levels. Its lightweight nature keeps it easy to handle, while the subtle styling updates for 2026 give it a modern, refreshed look. Even with all the big cruiser releases this year, the Rebel 500 stands out because it combines Honda's proven engineering with everyday usability. It's efficient, dependable, and fun, a bike you can ride daily without worrying about repairs. For riders who want comfort, low maintenance, and the perfect beginner-friendly cruiser that still feels substantial, the 2026 Honda Rebel 500 checks all the boxes. This bike proves that bigger doesn't have to mean complicated, just smooth, reliable riding every time. At number 4, 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a stylish, lightweight cruiser that's generating a lot of buzz this year. Even in 2026, Royal Enfield's single-cylinder 349 cubic centimeters engine is known for being smooth, reliable, and easy to maintain. Exactly what budget-friendly and beginner riders appreciate. The Hunter 350 combines classic RE styling with modern touches like updated ergonomics, LED lighting, and a comfortable upright seating position. It's perfect for city cruising, weekend rides, or just enjoying the open road without any stress. What really sets this bike apart is its simplicity. Fewer electronics, minimal maintenance, and a fuel-efficient engine make it incredibly practical. You get all the cruiser vibes without complicated systems, meaning less time in the shop and more time riding. The suspension is tuned for comfort while the lightweight chassis keeps maneuvering easy for riders of all sizes. Even mature riders who want a no-fuss dependable cruiser will appreciate how approachable this bike feels. With 2026 updates improving performance, handling, and style, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated budget-friendly cruisers this year. Reliable, stylish, and practical, it's a bike you can count on from day one to many years down the road. At number 3, 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. A lightweight cruiser that combines classic style with modern reliability. Even in 2026, this 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine is praised for smooth torque, fuel efficiency, and incredibly low maintenance. A perfect choice for riders who want simplicity without sacrificing style. The Meteor 350's upright riding position, comfortable seat, and balanced handling make it easy to maneuver in traffic or enjoy relaxed weekend cruises. Royal Enfield has refined this model for 2026 with updated suspension, improved electronics, and subtle styling upgrades, keeping it modern without losing its classic charm. One of the biggest draws is its practical design. Fewer complex electronics and simple mechanical systems mean minimal trips to the shop, just oil changes and routine checks. You can hop on and ride with confidence knowing this cruiser is built to last. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Meteor 350 feels approachable yet substantial enough for longer rides. Its retro-inspired looks combined with modern touches make it stand out on the road while still being budget-friendly. For 2026, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 proves why it's one of the most anticipated lightweight cruisers, offering reliability, comfort, and timeless style in a single package. At number 2, 2026 Suzuki Boulevard S40. A lightweight cruiser that's perfect for riders who want simplicity, style, and reliability. Even in 2026, the S40's 652 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine continues to impress with strong, predictable torque, excellent fuel efficiency, and minimal maintenance requirements. This bike is designed for easy handling. Its low seat height, lightweight, and balanced frame make city rides and tight corners effortless. Perfect for riders who prioritize comfort and confidence on every trip. The Boulevard S40's classic cruiser styling has only been subtly refined for 2026. Clean lines, blacked-out components, and modern LED lighting updates keep it looking fresh without complicating things. Mechanics love it because there's very little that can go wrong, just basic oil changes and chain care, and it will keep running like new for years. It's approachable for beginners, but enjoyable enough for seasoned riders, making it a versatile pick for a wide range of enthusiasts. For 2026, the S40 proves that lightweight cruisers don't need fancy tech to be fun and dependable. Reliable, easy to ride, and stylish. The Suzuki Boulevard S40 is a budget-friendly standout that's impossible to ignore on this list. At number 1, 2026 Honda Shadow 750. A classic cruiser that perfectly blends power, comfort, and reliability. Even in 2026, the Shadow 750's 745 cubic centimeter V-twin engine continues to deliver smooth, dependable torque that's easy to handle for riders of all experience levels. This bike is all about balance. Its low seat height, relaxed riding posture, and lightweight frame make it ideal for long rides, city cruising, or weekend adventures without feeling intimidating. The Shadow 750 is also extremely low maintenance. With routine oil changes and basic servicing, this cruiser can keep running smoothly for years. The kind of reliability that keeps mechanics off your back. Styling updates for 2026 give it a fresh look while preserving the classic cruiser vibe. Blacked-out finishes, clean lines, and subtle modern touches make it look bold yet timeless. Whether you're new to riding or a seasoned enthusiast, the Shadow 750 provides confidence, comfort, and that smooth V-twin feel that riders have trusted for decades. For 2026, it's the ultimate budget-friendly, reliable, and stylish cruiser. A perfect choice to finish off our countdown. So which of these 2026 budget-friendly cruisers would you ride first? Drop your choice in the comments below, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle countdowns.